This is Dareu EK868 with custom low-profile switches. I got question about compatibility with Kailh Choc version 1. I removed the custom switch, pins are almost on the straight line, Kailh Choc version looks almost the same from the top, plastic and metal pins do not allow to insert switch, plastic pins can be removed, metal pins can be bent. Now I can insert switch, one pin is bent even more, top one is okay. I cannot use Dareu keycaps. I have compatible keycap here, test and switch. This keycap looks better in the dark. But what to do with special switches with metal stabilizers? Especially with the long spacebar. Do I want to update whole keyboard? No.